2077th episode of Nagpur's most happening Facebook live show. शो का नाम है राज की बात, Women of the Year के साथ. Really want to thank Parekh Brother Jewelers presenting Raj Ki Baat Women of the Year in association with Pehnawa Boutique. People who, women who want to look beautiful and men who want their women to look beautiful, you should go to Pehnawa. A big thank you to Wild Fit, the only nutrition and personal training studio in Nagpur, Nagpur ka hospital, Orange City Hospital, Anjani Exotica, Mihan, We Herbs, and We Glow with Vasudha Agrawal, and of course, Stylux Kitchens and Wardrobes. मेरे आज की जो मेहमान है, she is a Hyderabadi, now a Nagpurkar. She's an engineer, but most importantly, right now, she is managing the banquets of a place in Nagpur जो पिछले 60-70 सालों से नागपुर को दुनिया का बेस्ट डोसा, दुनिया का बेस्ट भेल, दुनिया का बेस्ट साउथ इंडियन नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड खिलाते आ रहा है. और सबसे बड़ी और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात, एक ऐसी जगह जहां पर आरजे राज बचपन में आकर रुक जाता था, थम जाता था अपनी माँ के साथ जब वो वैरायटी स्क्वायर पे आता था और बोलता था अगर आपने मुझे जगत का डोसा नहीं खिलाया तो मैं घर नहीं चलूंगा. और माँ पहले पीटती थी और बाद में डोसा भी खिला देती थी. चलिए स्वागत करते हैं somebody who is taking the legacy of Jagat to Jagat. Please welcome my guest today, Sheetal Sanghani. Hello ma'am, कैसी हैं आप?
Hi Raj, that was a wonderful introduction of Jagat. And your story was actually, you should not say hilarious, but yes, inspiring.
No, it's hilarious also because मैं जब आज सुबह मैंने अपनी माँ को बताया कि आपको पता है मैं आज किसका इंटरव्यू ले रहा हूँ, तो उन्होंने पूछा किसका, तो मैंने कहा जो जगत जो रेस्टोरेंट है ना उनकी ओनर का मैं इंटरव्यू ले रहा हूँ. अरे बोले वहां तो तू बहुत पिटा है, तो मैंने कहा मैं ये बताने वाला हूँ इंटरव्यू में. एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज शी इज वाचिंग इट राइट नाउ. ओके, आई एम सो हैप्पी फॉर दैट आल्सो. ओके, तो सबसे पहले शीतल द हैदराबादी की बात करते हैं. सो यू वर बोर्न इन हैदराबाद. टेल मी योर स्टोरी.
Okay, born and brought up in a Gujarati Hyderabad family, and I was an engineer, the first in my family to, Gujaratis generally, the business is in their blood, they say. So I was the first one to be educated so much in my family. So my Dadaji would every morning tell me, why are you wasting one seat? Because they could naukri to karne denge nahi. So, and I had got, on merit, I had got my admission. So, I was an engineer, got married in Nagpur to, Jagat, the family, Jagat restaurant family, to the Sanghani family. Right. And so working was not an option, but staying at home was also not an option for me. I did not want to miss out on the growing years of my girls. Right. At the same time, I also wanted to, do something other than just being a homemaker. So the best option for me was joining Jagat restaurant. So you came to Nagpur just because of marriage, or there was something else also which make मतलब आपको नागपुर आप आती जाती रहती थी, कोई वजह? It was only marriage. So the first time you remember you came to Nagpur, when was that? So actually it so happened that my real sister had got married to my husband's brother. Okay. And he stays in Bilaspur. So I had come to Nagpur, my own sister's wedding. And that time I had come to Jagat for the first time at that time. So Jagat was my first. तो उस समय आपके हस्बैंड का नाम? Pritul, my husband. Pritul Sanghani, my father-in-law is Jagat. Okay. जिनके नाम पे ये रेस्टोरेंट बना. Right. तो Pritul Sanghani जो हैं, जब आप अपनी सिस्टर की शादी पे आई थी, तो वो हम दिल दे चुके सनम का गाना है, आंखों की गुस्ताखियां माफ हो, वैसा कुछ हुआ था, नहीं हुआ था? ऐसा हुआ तो नहीं था, because बारातियां सब चाह रहे थे वैसा कुछ हो जाए. So they actually made a हम आपके कौन with me and my husband. Right. So हम लोग तो we were actually good friends, just innocently good friends, but actually एक हम आपके कौन story was what I can say हमारा. Was under making. Yeah. Okay. Then, which year did you came to Nagpur? 97, 95, my sister got married. Those 2 years, we didn't know this would happen, but हमारे रिश्तेदार, they knew, they would tell us. हमको पता था. पहली बार जब तुम्हारी sister की शादी हो रही थी, we all knew that you're going to come here to Nagpur. So more than me and my husband manifesting it, our relatives had manifested and made this, marriage happen. So yeah. Okay. तो जब पहली बार जब शादी में जब आप आई थी अपनी सिस्टर के, जब नागपुर देखा था, वो नागपुर में और आज के नागपुर में क्या फर्क है? अशोका वही है, जगत रेस्टोरेंट वही है. So other than that, I think Mihan and these things coming through us, I think that evolution has happened.
Right.
But yeah, it used to be a very peaceful and I would tell my husband नवाबों का शहर हैदराबाद को बोलते हैं, but मुझे ना नवाबी यहाँ ज़्यादा लगती है नागपुर में, जो अभी तक नहीं गई है, I think. So yeah.
But then with time जब आप देखती हैं कि जहाँ पर हम इस वक्त बैठे हैं, ये पहले आपको पता है यहाँ पे थाली मिलती थी, है ना? दिस वाज द प्लेस जहाँ पे शहर की सबसे अच्छी थाली मिलती थी. 2 ही रेस्टोरेंट थे, नविद्यम एंड जगत, जहाँ पर उस समय की बेस्ट थालियां मिलती थी. तो व्हेनेवर यूज्ड टू कम, हम वेटिंग करते थे नीचे. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर. तो इसको बैंक्वेट करने का ये जो थॉट है, ये कब आया एंड व्हाई डिड यू बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ इट?
Yeah, so COVID I think was a period of thinking, and COVID gave us time to all of us, basically. So those 2 years, like government के regulations के हिसाब से, we had to keep our restaurant closed.
Right.
That made us thinking again. People were going back to small parties, milestone celebration, and people were actually now realizing कि time you do not know कहाँ कैसे.
बिल्कुल.
So everybody was into celebrate. तुम्हारा जो भी event है celebrate. That's when milestone birthdays became such a big thing. So this is a 3,500 square foot of place which we had as a thali, जहाँ पे थाली और conference hall already था. And as it is, जब वो थाली भी था, जब we used to have these Maharashtrian people coming down for small weddings, तभी भी पहले भी आते थे.
Right.
So we had to furniture assemble करके हटा दो and then decoration करो. So already we had this idea. But then COVID gave us this time to, venture into Jagan banquets. So again, the whole idea was this: people were going for small weddings, and celebrations had now taken a big time high. All of us can see, I think, after COVID, people are actually out. कोई भी चीजें हैं, they're not waiting to. Nobody's counting their money. In short, जहाँ खुशी मिल रही है, they want to celebrate. So that's when we thought कि हम ऊपर banquets दे देते हैं, और हमारा जो थाली section है, वो नीचे ले गया हम लोग ने. नीचे भी we have a huge space. So Athali and the a la carte came in the niche jahan running restaurant tha. And then one side we have allotted to the snacks, South Indian, the Chinese section, the pizzas, pastas. And
this became the banquet.
Yes, that is.
For small parties and celebrations,
right.
Of course, and corporate events also.
Yes, corporate events. So pre-wedding functions also we are getting these healthy mehndi functions.
But then Variety Square, the center of Nagpur, the heart. The biggest problem here, what people could understand and what people feel somewhere, is the parking. And people also know Jagat has, though they have a 2-wheeler parking, but then what about 4-wheelers?
Right. So we already have, like you said, in the premises, 60 to 70 2-wheeler parking we already have in the premises. Now for the 4-wheelers, 10 cars come at any given time within the premises. And more than the 10 cars, we have looked for, we have a valet now. And we have an area booked. I mean, we have booked an area for parking the cars which come here for the parties and the meetings and corporate meetings.
Okay. Yeah. So there is the facility which is available.
Yes, we have a valet. Above 40, any gathering above 40, we have a valet.
Okay. अच्छा. अब जब नागपुर आई, परिवार के साथ रहने लगी, फैमिली में एडिशन कितने हुए, कितने बच्चे हुए आपके?
So I had 2 daughters. They came very early in my married life also, and both of them came very early to each other also, 1.5 years of difference. So it was more like having twins together at home. It was I think the best years of my life. Those 6 years growing these girls up together, just feeding them.
What are their names?
Sorry,
their names.
My elder daughter is Yashvi Sandhani. She started her own bakery eventually in COVID. Again, COVID was a lot of change, lot of things, revolutionary things happened for us also. And my younger daughter was she is a national basketball player.
Wow.
So she's with Sandhani.
Okay. So आपको परेशान सबसे ज़्यादा किसने किया?
The younger one. Oh my God.
Okay.
So today when she's gone to London to study, and for me education was somehow very important.
Right.
So she was the notorious one. Okay, she brains, out of the box thinking बहुत था उसके पास, पढ़ना नहीं अच्छा लगता था. So I think all my growing years, my elder one was brilliant academically, and she was very sincere. So mommy ने बोला कर दिया. But the younger one, she was the notorious one. And somehow I made all the friends, very good friends I have made because of her. Because school ले जाती थी, वो नीचे तो जाती नहीं थी. I carry her and take her to school, and she would pull children's hair, and my God, her stories are
right
infinite. So She was the notorious one, and today she's in London doing her masters in sports management. So yeah, all those parents, would come back to me and tell, "My God, is this our Dhriti?" So yeah.
जब हम एक मदर की जर्नी की बात करते हैं, उसके पहले एक इंडिविजुअल की जर्नी भी होती है. आपने इंजीनियरिंग की, किस चीज में इंजीनियरिंग की?
You're
a chemical engineer. जब ये मंथन चल रहा था कोविड के दौरान, that you will join the business, the family business. So you joined the family business before or post COVID?
No, I've been in the business since the past 20 years.
20 years now.
18-20 years.
18-20 years now. तो 18-20 साल पहले जब ये निर्णय लेना था कि परिवार का बिजनेस ज्वाइन करना है ना, संघानी परिवार के बिजनेस को आगे बढ़ाना है, और एक तरफ आपका केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग की आपका एजुकेशन, आपने वो परस्यू क्यों नहीं किया?
Yeah, so like a little bit of Gujaratis and their thinking. I'm talking 20 years back. Gujarati families, sending a daughter also, not talking about only daughter-in-law, sending a daughter out.
और a son also. Yeah, 20 साल पहले तो बेटों को भी नौकरी के लिए नहीं भेजा था.
But बेटों को नौकरी पे नहीं तो घर का बिजनेस तो संभालने, that was birthright. But when it came to a daughter-in-law, there was a lot of skepticism with a woman in their family. But yeah, so I knew job करने का तो कुछ यहाँ कोई possibility ही नहीं है. And another thing, like I told you, I wanted to be there in the formative years of my children. So even I was not very keen on taking up a job, and my husband did tell me, like I was getting admission in Georgia Tech, US at that time. So my husband did ask me, "You should be going," he said. But I said, I have made some mistakes in those years of my life. Anyway, 26 years down the line, I don't think they are mistakes. But at that time, I used to feel when my husband told me, "Why did I not go to US and pursue my MS in chemical engineering masters from Georgia?" Anyway, so that option was also there, but I chose to be a homemaker first. I didn't want to, like I told again. So family came first for me, and then I joined the business. So it became a very good arrangement for me. I could pursue my, I was learning new things. I was meeting different people. So this new aspect of, that education part also, that learning was there basically. That was also happening, and then I was not missing out on my family life also.
Okay. आपको गुस्सा कितना आता है?
शीतल, it means cold.
बट कई बार लोग अपने नाम के विपरीत होते हैं, तो मैं फिर भी रिकन्फर्म करना चाहता हूँ, आपको गुस्सा कितना आता है?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say 3.
Okay. तो फिर
गुस्सा मैनेज करना बहुत अच्छे से आता है.
गुस्सा मैनेज करना आता है आपको?
नागपुर शहर में मैंने देखा, it's very odd-blooded people we have here. At the drop of a hat, people are getting angry.
Right.
तो मैनेज करना बहुत अच्छे से आता है.
आपने BNI भी ज्वाइन किया, yeah?
Okay. So my daughter's elder one went to US to pursue a MS in industrial management, and the younger one, she also went to pursue a master's in London. So before going, they would always tell me, "Mama, you should, IIM Nagpur में you should do your masters. MBA तो हम करवा के आपको छोड़ेंगे. You have to do your MBA." And I said, मुझे अभी पढ़ना नहीं है, बहुत हो गया. And then BNI I joined. And the banquets, newly opened banquets are 6 months old. So I wanted to promote the banquet business again. Networking is something I think, meeting new people, I love to do that. So BNI came my way, and I joined BNI. Now after joining BNI, that's what I tell my daughters, you had manifested, you wanted me to join some management school. Now I said, this is a practical management school which I have joined. And that is how I came to BNI.
वक्त के साथ हम देख रहे हैं, क्योंकि यू आर अ मदर ऑफ 2 daughters, आई वुड रियली लाइक टू नो योर थॉट प्रोसेस, योर पर्सपेक्टिव अबाउट थिंग्स. आउटसाइड थिंग्स हैव स्टार्टेड हैपनिंग इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट मैनर. पहले कोई खबर आती थी, उस पर बहुत ज्यादा रिएक्शन नहीं आता था, लोगों को दर्द होता था, लेकिन रिएक्शन इतना ज्यादा नहीं आता था. सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम से लोग बहुत ज्यादा रिएक्टिव हो गए, छोटी सी बात भी बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी हो जाती है. तो इस वक्त लड़कियों के लिए there is a lot of space to grow, in life, in career. But as far as relationship is concerned, unlike girls 20 years back, where they were ready to get married at an age of 19, 20, 21, 23. Now girls are not getting ready to get married at the age of 30 also. What's your thought about it?
So I think before it used to be, we were not given a chance to grow in the mind. एज वाज ओनली थ्रू अ नंबर, 21 की हुए शादी कर दी
जी,
बट तभी देखते नहीं थे कि मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ कितनी है, व्हाट इज द मेंटल ग्रोथ ऑफ दैट गर्ल। 21 की है, 18 कभी, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग लाइक एज इज अगेन जस्ट अ नंबर, पर वो तभी नहीं समझता था। सो नाउ व्हाट आई फील इज, आई मीन आई डोंट थिंक वी शुड बी फिक्सिंग कि भैया 26 की हुई शादी कर दो, आज 30 की भी हुई है, बट अगेन अपन देख रहे हैं दैट चाइल्ड इज नॉट मेंटली रेडी या मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ नहीं है। सी मैरिज इज एन इंस्टीट्यूशन, आई फील इट्स एन इंस्टीट्यूशन फॉर लाइफ। I do not believe in breaking of a marriage or short term. It is not a short term thing. So I think again, looking at the mental strength of the child, I think we should be going ahead with the उसको जल्दी शादी करना या नहीं करना. Like again with my daughters, again coming from a Gujarati marriage family, 21 की हुई, I got married. I finished my engineering. Supposing today I finished my engineering 10th day, I gave my exam, and after 10 days I was married and sent her. So with my children, we were very open with these things. So I asked her, what is it? So she said, Mama, give me 2 years. Both my daughters, they asked for 2 years. They want to finish their education. And I think what development and growth of the mind which I'm seeing, see, these children are more aware. They are more exposed to the world than we were at that time.
Absolutely.
So their growth is also very good, the mental growth. So I think in spite of looking at with the age, you know, कि 30 years की हुई शादी नहीं कर रही, 21 साल की ये शादी कर लिया, I think we should trust these children, take a call with them, taking them in the confidence.
Okay. जगत के बैंक्वेट्स को किस तरह से पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, लोगों ने क्या समझना चाहिए, क्यों आना चाहिए यहाँ पे?
Yeah, so this is again our USP, I would say. देखो, commercially सब कुछ अभी तो with competition, सब field में competitions है, commercially everything is available everywhere. Why am I different from the rest? Why would, see, you know, there is some personal touch which we, my whole staff,
right,
and we as owners also, we are standing here for every party, small or big. We will make sure 40 लोग की party है या 300 लोग की party है, it's equally important for us. And that personal touch is, see, everything is given on management, ऐसा वाला नहीं है. We are all standing here to make your part, जितना important आपका पार्टी आपके लिए है, उससे भी ज़्यादा हमारा responsibility हम समझ के आपकी पार्टी करते हैं. And again, rates wise also, I think when you go to the market, centrally located, and we have the valet, and yeah, we have खाने का taste, so I think the people will, you know,
love the place.
Yeah.
Okay. So if as you just said that marriage is an institution, what did you learn from Pritul sir?
Learning तो बहुत सारा था. I was a very timid, and मेरे own staff से एक गिलास पानी मांगना नहीं आता था मुझे when I joined the place. So marriage, this place, my own workplace has taught me a lot. It's made me stronger. So I think what the books could not teach me, coming out in the world and being with my family, and this restaurant has taught me a lot. I have grown from being a very timid and very shy person to being outgoing, and now I think yeah, I am an outspoken person also. And yeah.
तो अब आगे जीवन में जब कोई आपसे ये पूछे कि इंटरव्यू लेना, तो आप हाँ बोलेंगी या ये कहेंगे कि मुझे पहले बताओ सवाल क्या है?
I think after this interview, I think I'm okay now. So
You're okay now.
Yeah, so this will be my first interview. So I remember asking you, Raj, should I be, you know, chat GPTing something? Should I write some witty quotes? You know.
Right.
But, I think you made me feel comfortable also. So yeah, thank you for making this so spontaneous.
अगर जिंदगी की सुनहरी किताब लिखी रहती और उस किताब के एक सुनहरे पन्ने पर ये नाम लिखा रहता, शीतल संघानी, उसके नीचे कौन सी ऐसी लाइन, कौन सा ऐसा कोट, कौन सी ऐसी बात लिखी रहनी चाहिए जिसे पढ़ने के बाद लोग आपको हमेशा याद करें?
जगत जननी.
जगत जननी.
Yes. See, I love to खाना खिलाना अच्छा लगता है, और भगवान ने मुझे वही फैमिली में शादी करवाया. So yeah, जगत जननी.
Super. And then Jagat Janani is also somebody who's adding value to this environment. And you did add 2 more, ladies, probably people who can, who would be definitely inspiring and taking this legacy to another level. आपने अपना वक्त दिया, आपने हमसे बात करी, आपने हमें इंस्पायर किया, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू सो मच. ये जो थॉट है ना जगत जननी का, ये बड़ा ब्यूटीफुल थॉट है. आप पुराणों में जाएं, आप गीता, रामायण, महाभारत में जाएं, वहां पर एक महिला की, एक स्त्री की जो जगह है वो इधर ऊपर है. वक्त के साथ, है ना, वक्त के साथ बीच में एक ऐसा वक्त आया जब महिलाओं को 4 दीवारियों में कैद होना पड़ा. उन्हें घूंघट डाल के रहना पड़ा. हो सकता है ये संस्कृति का अंग हो सकता है कि ये एक दबाव हो. पुराने वक्त को भूल जाते हैं, बायगॉन्स है बायगॉन्स. लेकिन अभी का अगर वक्त आप देखें तो महिलाएं जो भी कर रही हैं वो बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं किसी भी क्षेत्र में. वो मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि आज वो पुरुष से ज्यादा बेटर काम कर रही है. उम्मीद है कि हमारा जो आने वाला समाज है वो ऐसे ही महिलाओं को 4 दीवारियों से बाहर निकाले. मैं घर की नहीं, मैं मन की 4 दीवारियों से बाहर निकालने की बात कर रहा हूँ, जहां से वो बाहर निकले, काम करें और अपने परिवार को वैसा ही योगदान दें. आज चाइना देश दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी इकोनॉमी कैसे बना? थोड़ी गहराई में जाइए तो आपको पता चलेगा कि वहां पर एक कल्चर है होम हस्बैंड्स का. वहां पर पति घर संभालता है और पत्नी बाहर काम करती है. बड़ी विचित्र बात है, लेकिन ये एक ऐसी बात है जहां पर हमारे देश को भी ये समझना होगा कि महिलाओं को अंदर कैद करके कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. आपसे फिर होगी मुलाकात इन राज की बात. तब तक अपना ध्यान रखें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, खुश रहें, व्यस्त रहें, परिवार के साथ एक अच्छा वक्त बिताएं. और अगर आपके परिवार में एक बिटिया है जो इंजीनियरिंग करना चाहती है और अपने जीवन में एक ऐसे मुकाम पर पहुंचना चाहती है जिसके सपने उसने कैलकुलेट नहीं किए हैं, लेकिन इंटेंट, नियत क्लियर है कि जो भी करेंगी सही करेंगे, और वो वक्त के साथ अपना एक मुकाम बनाती है, दुनिया उसे देख के सलाम करती है और इस बात को अप्रिशिएट करती है कि हमने वाकई में सोचा था कि तुम एक दिन अपने पर फैलाओगी, आसमान उड़ोगी, और तुम वाकई में आसमान में उड़ रही हो, तो तुम शीतल संघानी बन रही हो. जिंदा रहें. जय हिंद.